NC40Z CNC Busbar bending machine is mainly used for the bending work of copper and aluminium bus bars. It can be used to realize flat bending, vertical bending, U-bend, twisting, etc. by changing different molds. The CNC operating system of the equipment is adopted. The human-machine interface can implement the operating status of the device program. The structure of the machine adopts an upper open type, which can conveniently take and place bus bars, and the bending power is supplied by double pumps to ensure bending efficiency and bending precision of the machine. The gauge of the machine is servo-controlled, and the position can be adjusted manually according to the needing, which can easily realize the control of the position of the bus bars during the work of flat bending and vertical bending. The machine also can be equipped an electronic die system that detects bus bar bounce according to customer requirements. The NC40Z series CNC busbar bending machine is with a maximum machining length of 2000 mm, a flat bending maximum machining size of 16 by 200 mm, a vertical bending maximum machining size of 120 mm, a material deviation accuracy of plus 0.15 mm, and a bending accuracy of plus 0.3 degrees. The minimum internal gear pitch is 40 mm of U-shaped. The CNC operating system of the machine is a touchscreen, man-machine interface, simple operation, and can reflect the running status of the program in real time. The system is divided into standard mode and code mode. The standard mode can directly input the bending points and angles requirement of the workpiece. The graphic preview shows that the code mode has more L-shaped, Z-shaped, and U-shaped bending models to be chosen. Design is more intuitive. The machine is with patented CAD, CAM, auxiliary design system, can directly import CAD, SolidWorks, and other software that can change design graphic files, and convert into machine code that can run the machine. When designing, 3D animation can simulate bending demonstration. Design and equipment separately work, do not interfere with each other, improve efficiency. The design system is simple in operation, can directly realize three-dimensional bending, punching, and shearing busbar pattern production, and can automatically find the bending sequence for the workpiece with more bending times and realize programming automation. The auxiliary design system can be used to connect the bending machine with the MX602 CNC busbar punching and shearing machine, which can accurately calculate the length after the bend's expanded and save the busbar costs when punching. The machine can be used to increase the accuracy of bending and reduce the bending marks by adding an electronic die with a rotary encoder. The rotary encoder realizes the error-free measurement of the rotation angle. By detecting the same edge of one cycle of the quadrant, the rotation direction can be accurately determined, and then the angular displacement per unit time is measured, thereby accurately positioning the bending angle. The CNC busbar bending machine mold frame adopts the upper and lower integral structure, which is excellent in neutrality. The front and rear concave and convex molds are easy to disassemble and install. Only need to disassemble the positioning bolts, finding the corresponding mold according to the bending requirements, and reinstall. Sales telephone +615 165 021418. Website www.busbarmc.com.
Busbar machines. The main function of MX602K-8C CNC busbar punching and shearing machine is to cut, punch, emboss and chamfer the copper and aluminium bus bars. The bus bar machine consists of the following parts: a loading table with stainless steel rollers, a single row inline mould library for left and right position movement, a hydraulic clamping system with position detection, an XI servo shaft for front feeding, and a rear end pulling X2 servo shaft, finished stainless steel conveyor belts, electrical control system, hydraulic system with proportional valve control and automatic lubrication system. The CNC electrical control system of this machine consists of controller, servo system, man-machine interface, detection device, etc. German original Backhoff brand controller, 4-bus controlled ABB brand servo motors, and German Ball-up linear displacement sensor guarantee the stability of the machine. The main stamping cylinder, controlled by the German Rexroth proportional valve, can reach up to 180 times per minute. The high-quality accessories guarantee the efficiency, stability and service life of the machine. The Busbar processing machine auxiliary design system can be used by CAD on computer in office. It can realize 2D, 3D drawing and 3D animation simulation. It can directly generate machine control code after accurate circulation of the blanking length and wireless or UDisc copy to the device. The auxiliary design software can be on NC40Z series CNC busbar bending machine as well. It can automatically calculate the bending expansion when drawing design, saving material cutting intuitive and quick. The NC40Z CNC busbar bending machine is mainly used for the bending work of copper and aluminium busbars. It can be used to realize flat bending, vertical bending, U-bend, twisting, etc. by changing different molds. The machine can be connected with MX602 series through network cable or wireless connection to realize the data exchange. Directly downloads the bending data and can also edit the bending program separately. The structure of the machine adopts to an upper open type, which can conveniently take and place bus bars, and the bending power is supplied by double pumps to ensure bending efficiency and bending precision of the machine. The gauge of the machine is servo controlled and the position can be adjusted manually according to the needing, which can easily realize the control of the position of the bus bars during the work of flat bending and vertical bending. The machine also can be equipped with an electronic die system that detects bus bar bounce according to customer requirements. DGWMX busbar machines are one kind of machine, can cut, punch and bend bus bars at the same time, not influence each other. This machine can also chamfer, twist, emboss, flatten, press cable joint, etc. The bending station of 503E-3-S CNC busbar processing machine adopts closed bending type. The structure is firm. The vertical angle of the workpiece angle is high. The angle control adopts the touchscreen input mode and the workpiece is completed by the cooperation of PLC and encoder. The bending work is fast, the operation is convenient and the bending angle is consistent. The bending station is divided into 3 operation modes: RL-shaped, Z-shaped and U-shaped. When working, only need to select the corresponding simulation graphic and input relevant parameters, and the bending process can be conveniently and quickly performed. The cutting unit of the machine is a double knife hedge cutting, and the cutting mouth is smooth and cutting without waste.
行嘞。
啥开着呢？抽烟嘛？知道吗？
ปลาตำตุงมาทำไปเดี๋ยวเทียบที่ดัดเท่าไหร่ก็ได้นะไม่มี200 150ใกล้เคียงบอกว่าให้ดูเดินกิน
高中小队那是谁好啊？
欧美人也是。人家国外不像中国是吧？哎呀，我要求你咋样？还得咋样？
อะผมไม่มาเอาวันหยุดผมเอาละก่อน